Let me be blunt. If you're managing IBM software and you don't know what ILMT is, how PVU licensing works, or why ghost installs can blow up your compliance, you're flying blind. IBM audits aren't theoretical. They're coming, and they don't care if your team made a small mistake. They'll hit you with full capacity pricing, backdated support fees, and zero mercy. We've seen enterprises overpay millions because someone forgot to install ILMT on one server, or didn't know a test environment still needed a license. These are tiny missteps with massive consequences. This white paper breaks it all down, clearly without fluff, and with actual strategies that work in the real world. You'll learn how to spot the 10 most expensive IBM licensing traps before they drain your budget. Whether you're negotiating a renewal or bracing for an audit, this is the playbook your finance and IT teams should have had years ago. So don't wait until IBM finds the mistake for you. Download the guide, take control, and stop leaving money on the table.